guys, what's up? Christy here. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you some tips and hacks on how I keep my home clean with 5 kids. Now, this is a total impromptu video. I just finished distant learning with my kids and ate some lunch, and I was reading some DMs on my Instagram about how do I keep my house clean with so many little kids. And there is no secret, but I did go ahead and put together a list of things that I think really work for me and I have implemented over the years as I gained more children that has really helped me to keep my home clean. If this is your first time seeing any of my videos, my name's Christy. I live in Las Vegas. My husband and I built our family through foster care adoption, and here teaching and supporting foster and adoptive parents through the wild emotional ride of foster care and adoption. But we're talking about cleaning today, just cleaning today. My very first tip is to dedicate a designated time and amount of time every single day. For example, for me, right after school drop-off, I dedicate 1 hour, and then if I do not do that, because I have meetings or things like that, I dedicate 1 hour right after my kids go to bed. So 1 hour a day, I tackle everything. That is not including all the messes that my kids and I make throughout the day after mealtime, things like that. Those get tidied up right away. But things like laundry and dishes and floors and picking up rooms, things like that, 1 hour a day. That helps me to just relax and know that I'm gonna get it done within that specific time of the day. My second tip is to make a plan of action. What do you need to do every single day? What do you need to do every week? And what do you need to do every month? I do laundry every single day. I do dishes every day. I pick up everything around the house every single day. And then more of like the bathroom cleaning, toilets, things like that. Those are the things that I do on a weekly basis. And then changing filters, cleaning fans, windows, windowsills, baseboards, things like that are my monthly tasks. So setting a plan of what you would like to get done daily, weekly, and monthly really does help stay on track. I'm really big on making sure you clean up messes and nip them in the butt as soon as possible. So if you cook dinner, try to clean up the mess right afterwards, before you eat or right after you eat. There is nothing worse than going to bed with a messy kitchen and dishes flooding the sink. Now, my next tip is, as far as dishes, always do all of your dishes and clean your sink at night. Load those babies up into the dishwasher if you have it. I know it's more satisfying and you feel a little bit more in control if you do them by hand, but if you get in the habit, if you have one, of using your dishwasher, it'll save you lots of time, lots of stress, and it'll be easier on your hands. If you do this, you'll never have dishes in your sink. And when I say cleaning up after your kids' messes, I say teach them to clean up after themselves. Hold them accountable. If they have a banana and some goldfish and they leave crumbs everywhere, don't let them get up and go play without cleaning up their own mess. Teach them to look around, teach them to look on the floor to see if they drop things. Raising and teaching children to be responsible for their own messes, I promise you, will help you a lot in the teenage years, and it's also a life lesson. My next tip is to make sure that you have all of the necessary cleaning products and tools you need to clean your home. If you don't have laundry spot treatment on hand, your clothes are gonna be stained and you're gonna end up throwing them away or wasting them or giving them away because your clothes are stained. Let's take care of our things. I really recommend using a natural type of cleaning products. Not only is it better for your counters or your floors or your sink or your toilet, but it's better for the environment and it's better for you and your kids' health. I am big on brands that are reliable and consistent. I love good quality vacuums, carpet cleaners, cleaning products, things like that. Hoover is one of those products that have been around for a very long time. It has been a trusted member of our family for as long as I can remember. Thank you so much to Hoover for sponsoring today's video. When I had a lot of foster children, I had a lot of messes. Let's be real, kids throw up, they track things in the house, especially when you have pets, there's accidents. So having your very own Hoover carpet cleaner on hand just really helps you to clean up those messes as soon as they happen, especially around my stairs area. My kids sit on the stairs, they put on their shoes and they take off their shoes. They are tracking in all those nasty germs from the outside and putting it on the carpeted stairs. Once a week, I do some spot treatment in this area. It's such a high traffic area. My Hoover carpet cleaner is a pet one, and it has so many cool features that really are a game changer as far as cleaning your own carpets. It really does help lift up those dirty and tough stains. Now for me, I use the carpet cleaner every single week. It is a weekly task that I've gotten the habit of doing, especially around my stairs area. It handles like a vacuum, and there is even a special spot treatment wand. It really does help lift up those dirty and tough stains. So not only does it clean your carpet, but it actually deodorizes it as well. Hoover does have special pre-treatments and carpet cleaning solutions that really work well with this product. I especially love the scrubbing tool because I really need to get down and deep because, let's face it, my stains have probably been there for a while. Go ahead and click the link in the description box if you want to purchase one of these. Thank you so much to Hoover for sponsoring this video. And if you do not have a carpet cleaner and you have kids and pets, come on, y'all. You need to get this to keep your home clean. Now, another big one that moms struggle with constantly, and I'm always getting messages about laundry. So I have a love-hate relationship with laundry. I am not perfect. My laundry does pile up, and it becomes a big task where I spend an hour or 2 hours in a day trying to play catch up. But recently, in the past couple months, I really feel like I have got it down pat. I have a laundry room that is very accessible to my bedrooms, and it just has really helped. But we can't always pick where our laundry room is going to be. I really suggest you guys doing laundry every single day if you have a large family like mine. There's 7 people in our family, and my kids are going to in-person school, so I always try to wash my laundry every single day. Whether it's 1 load or 2 loads or sometimes 3 loads, when we've got a lot of towels and pajamas to clean, I do the whole process every single day from start to finish. My rule of thumb is if I'm going to start the laundry and switch it into the dryer, I'm going to fold it and I'm going to put it away or hang it up right away. Another suggestion I have for you guys is to purchase things that are better for you in the long run, that will help you save money and will help keep your home clean. For example, I have a sectional in my loft here. I can't even imagine not having washable cushions on our sectional with 5 little kids, 9 and under. I don't know, it's one of those little things you don't really think about that really do make a difference, not only in keeping it clean, but also keeping your air quality good as well. Another thing I have in my home are 3 ruggables. I know they can be a little bit of an investment. Having a luxury of just throwing it in the wash and giving it that deep clean that it really needs, instead of living with a dirty stained rug that you don't want to throw away and you can't wash, is really a game changer. Also, another thing is delegate tasks to your kids. I have a chart where I give each of my kids a task every single week. For example, Ace this week, he's in charge of the cat litter. And then tomorrow, he'll be in charge of taking out the garbage. And then the next day, he'll be in charge of cleaning up the bathrooms and making sure that everything is put away after everyone takes showers during that whole bedtime rush. So, giving your kids a task every single day and then switching those like a chore chart type of thing really helps teach them responsibility and helps you out, mama. For my very last tip, this is something that not everyone is going to be able to afford to do, but I do this sometimes when I need a little extra help around the house, is to hire a cleaning lady or a cleaning crew to come help you. All you have to do is sacrifice a couple of those Target trips, random ones where you end up spending $150 and you went in there for a package of socks, on a cleaning lady to help you around the house. They can really get down and help you deep clean your floors, your baseboards, your toilets, your ceiling fans, all those things that just really take up so much time when you could be spending it helping your children with distant learning. Doing something like that, think about it. I know everyone can't afford it, but if we cut back in other areas, you can afford it. And it really helps your sanity, your stress levels, your anxiety levels. Because I don't know about you, I get a little anxious when there's too much mess going on and I feel like my house is not under control. So think about that. So if you guys have any other questions or good tips that you can share with me, I love getting more things that help me run my home smoother. Leave it in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.